Ebhandiko nibyoleka ko abakuru b'ishomero na bamwe abebembezo mu cyanga bizire nibetombo itabwa sente kugumaniza igendo miringo itari kwetegerezebwa ecyaretire yakomwa.
I am instructing the CID is going to take interest in this. He is going to take him to police and investigate this matter. First, to investigate the audio, to authenticate if indeed this is his voice, if he's the one who made those allegations, because the allegations on the audio are very alarming. You don't expect a civil servant to make such allegations, and indeed after making those allegations the transfers happen. So it really shows what we call malice afterthought, and indeed in law this is what we are looking at mens rea. The intention was not good. It wasn't for the good of the education department or the school in particular Buhinga.
Umubarisha mu Nelson Kajura bamwe mbazire na nabakuru mu ishomero bakahandikira bebembezi bo mutawuneje bakushaba mu sente z'ukwegwa zibezemereziwe ubu barukoro kucunduza na mnonga al Constance asimwe wabire yamara hameza abiri ahari Buhinga. Imshangeji mtiho kwirarikira no kwetomba itomba turaje ho kwetorura icyanga.
Omusomesa kuguma kahunga bunyonyi Kabarole primary school ine kuhemba akasente mu department ya education afotopoto. Wetu ade no yatago mkono kwechoma kubuta. Kyo cyabaraza abazaire bona abana bona ataita hano mwana no. Omukasi tasobola kwiza mu kiro kimwe akatukorera ibintu ebibyona. Iyo karubayo bakubana bakuhembere none atokuyikuta. Betu muyikuta mukabaki.
Ibintu bingi football education mu byabomezi bisisikaira abo abantu nkaba bakora decisions zabo depending on their personal interests when ebigendera byabo nk'abantu mu masomero mengi muntu twina we are lacking good teachers abokuba abasomesa abakiro wingi beine kubanza kusasura sente nuko kubaleta mu masomero gano watakusobora kusasura sente tebakumuha any position in any school.
Umuka audio case mu akarekodingirwa hagati y'abakuru b'amashomero ho muri Fort Portal City na Alta Richard urukutungwa mu y'enkumuntu koreko kuyabire nakosa ku office ye ho miringo itashikire kandi na sente zikasendukwa hakubura y'ibiri kumi harukuza kuhumura hebirabe na binahebyo kwezo ko kubanza umwaka gw'enkumi ibirabe n'etano.
Ubu ndabanta kwesidi oborabo oba murungi transferring Obu ndabanta kwesidi oborabo bamudu
okay
so obokubole mubiti nkwet pyo omubi natanga ne baruhai
asaba Edson Ruyonga olumeya wa Fort Portal City asimiro wa recording resumwejo obwahamize ngo nchikuyamba ho mu kucondoza aho burungi bw'abantu
akarekodia omuyite there is what abajubile reading yes reading between the lines muriye ngo owaje nabazo akaba ayine ekigendererwa ekinyapolisi nesa ekitali kirungi
twina abakozi abahumwi bayitugude nafu bana bahana omuraba mwine mbayile mukora mwegakemu obaraba rusuba nabo tukimanyi
bamwe abantu bashaba ngo miringo y'isente z'ibibwegese zirukushashirwa mu hegariketerwe mutoke kugira ngo ibintu nke bitubyagarika mu kubaho ombwire bo misho
department together tekanize twetekane nuko tusobole okuhereza abantu bano tutakugwera rubaju
abo bushobozi bahamza abantu ngo kucondoza kuri no kugenda mu misho aho abandi bantu babasa kwatwa nkabashanga bahita birombe ko rwebi gasha kwa Justin Yakisiki aha wa Sky TV hagenshonga ho muri Fort Portal.